Burp Suite application. So it's the free version doesn't allow you to do a lot of things. You can't save projects or any work they are doing so far. So once you quit, you have to start all over again. The paid version is well, I'm not buying that anyways. So anyone that is watching this, feel free to do that. But it has a very easy interface. So the thing you do is just click next, and you can just use if this is your first time, you can just use the default, Bob default basically. Okay. Okay, finally it's loaded. Okay, so this is the should I say operation center of Burp Suite, and it has a lot of these are all the tabs you're seeing here are the features that exists within this software. So you have your target, your proxy, spider, scanner, intruder, repeater, sequencer, decoder. All these things do different things. So but we're going to start from the very beginning. So the first thing you need to do if you are using Burp Suite is to configure configure a proxy address in your browser. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so I'm using Firefox, so you go to the preferences tab. Come on. The options tab, and you go to preferences. Sorry, there's something in my throat. I don't know. Weather, I guess. Okay. So you go here, and okay, so I don't want Firefox to give me a cache copy, so I'm just gonna clear this cache copy of any website. So I'm just gonna clear. Okay. So go to your settings. Come on, open. Okay, as you can see here, I've set up my configuration. So you select the manual proxy configuration, and you set your computer to this address 172.0.0.1, and you use port 8080. That's the default port that Burp uses. This is the loopback address for default loopback address. So you save your changes, and you go back to Burp. Okay, so the first thing you do is you need to define your scope. Your scope is like the web app or website that you're going to be conducting your pen testing on. So before I continue, I'm going to start by saying that if you're going to do a penetration testing on a website that is live, you need to get permission from the owner of the website before you do that, because if you don't, then it's illegal. If you can't do that, then you need to do that in your own development environment. You set up a server and all that. I have a lot of different web servers on my computer, and one is they are all conflicting at the moment, so I can't set up any. I can't do that in my own development environment. Luckily for me, my professor gave me a website that I can use. So yeah, to do that, you go to the target tab and then you click on scope. So then you add the host or IP range of the website you're looking to conduct a pen testing on. So this website I have permission to do pen testing on. Once again, if you don't have permission, it's illegal if you do any pen testing. So here you can select which protocol you want, which protocol you want to search for. You can just leave it at any. You can specify the port here if you want to look for some particular ports or files and different things. So here you click OK. So next you go to the Burp proxy. So Burp by default is actually a proxy server. It works by it intercepts your traffic, and from there you can actually scan and see what's going on behind the scenes. So this intercept tab here shows you when you go to the website, it shows you exactly what's going on. So one last thing before we begin. If this intercept is on, then you have to manually forward every packet that goes back and forth between your computer and the server. But if it's off, then everything just goes. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to type ctrust.ca. So you see here that instead of no, my system isn't hanging, but you see here that instead of the thing to just go through, it's the thing is routed through the Burp proxy. So we go back into the Burp proxy, and then we see it's asking for us forward the packet. So you click forward, and these are all the the contents of the packet it's showing us. So you can see parameters, you can see headers, you can see the header, and you can see x value of that. So but we're going to go back to the raw header. So we're going to forward again. So here it's telling us what the browser we're using, the operating system, everything. So basically for now we're just going to keep forwarding until the website fully loads. Okay, so I think we're okay. No, we're not done. So when if any of the Burp tabs is working, the lettering on the tab will turn to orange. So again, we go forward, forward.